Hi art friends, this is Emma, and today I will show you step by step how to draw a cute scarecrow. Let's get started. First, let's draw the scarecrow's face. So I am going to draw an oval. And I'm going to draw some hair, so a few strands of hair that really gives the scarecrow some character. And I am going to draw a head. So from here, draw an angle line that goes this way, and then on the other side, let's draw another angled line that comes this side and bend over. At the tip of the head, bring this down and connect with this point. Two small circles for the eyes. Make sure that they're the same size. And one big smile. Let's add some details to the hair. So these are like hairs that are sticking out. Just use some different shades to draw a few lines. And from there, let's give our scarecrow a scarf. Let's draw a scarf. And from the end of the scarf on this side, draw a curved line out. So that's the shirt. And this side as well. Close it off at the bottom and shade it in. At the bottom of the shirt, in the center, let's draw a stick. Now let's draw the sleeves. So on this side, I am going to just let it stick out like this. And we are going to add some details later, so make sure you stay till the end to see the details that I'm adding. And here I am going to draw this line here to make it look like it's wearing a jacket. And it's going to look very nice at the end with all the additional details that I am going to draw later. On the other side, same here. And another sleeve. Now let's see how we can add some more details to the sleeves. So at the end of each sleeve, I am going to draw some very thin line. And we'll do the same here. Really some short. Some are shorter, some are longer lines. So it's like the haze are sticking out. Now let's add some really nice details. All that additional detail make it look really lively. We did it! If you followed along, I would love to see what you created. Send it to emmaarttime@gmail.com to be included in my next video. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I'll see you next time.